Hi everyone, this is Hilda Ramirez, your team leader at Keller Williams Silicon City. I'm so happy to introduce the soft launch of our new Open House Weekend newsletter. We're thrilled to be able to do this for you. We are going to publish your open houses that'll be held open for the weekend every Friday at noon. We will share this publication with our fellow MLS associates, our office mates here at Keller Williams Silicon City, and those that we've had the pleasure of doing business with, so all of our accommodating agents. We want to help you gain greater exposure for your listings. We hope that this will be helpful for you when you're in a listing presentation so that you can let your clients know that we go a little bit beyond the traditional MLS. We hope that this is resourceful to all of our colleagues out in the field who just want a quick snapshot of what we have to offer. We really encourage you to utilize video as often as possible. It is the medium by which people prefer to view online content. So video is so critical. Voice command devices, anything that is AI driven, just going to be premier in the years to come. So we want to get ahead of the curve. We want to deliver the best experience when it comes to marketing, social media, digital advertising, everything that we possibly can do to keep you at the forefront of your transactions and the industry, and more importantly, the competition. Please communicate with us. Make sure that you send us all of your information for anything that's going to be held open beginning next Wednesday for publication on Friday, for everything that will be shown next week in the field, any open house that you'll be having next weekend. Want to thank Colby and Locke for their assistance in helping bring this to fruition, and I want to wish you much success this weekend. May you have lots of activity on your open houses, much success, and may we find you in the office writing contracts next week. Have a wonderful weekend, and let us know what you think. It's only going to get better with time. We're willing to take in all of your input and insight on how we can make this better in the days ahead. So thank you very much, and we'll chat soon. Bye now.